And the Rapsi Master moving up sa totoo lang in between runners Haywire. Senyor Cricket comes next, then followed by Instant. Dragon King on your knees, then followed by Pleasure Giver. Bonjour, and trailing the group is Biodata. About to pass the last 902 runners fighting it out for the lead. Sa totoo lang, running by the rail, running alongside Haywire, racing in third C Master Instant. Down in Peabody outside is Senyor Cricket. Pleasure Giver racing in 6, followed by Dragon King. Biodata on your knees, second last, and Bonjour is running at the tail of the field as they round to the last 450. Sa totoo lang, running by the rail, Haywire almost has won this time as they swing for home. Haywire, sa totoo lang, Pleasure Giver closing in third with the last 200 meters more to run. Sa totoo lang, Haywire, Pleasure Giver moving a party outside. We have sa totoo lang, Haywire, Pleasure Giver move sa party outside and grabbing the lead and leading the finish line. It's going to be Pleasure Giver. Haywire, sa totoo lang, on your knees close between Biodata and number 9 Bonjour. Porter Fentafecta.